The Porsche 914, a car that has captured the hearts of many. Mention it to a car enthusiast and you'll likely get a knowing smile, perhaps even a story or two about its charm. Launched in 1969, this little sports car was a joint venture between Porsche and Volkswagen, combining the best of both worlds. It was meant to be an affordable, entry-level Porsche, making the dream of owning a Porsche accessible to more people. And for a while, it was. It became a beloved choice for many new sports car enthusiasts. The 914 had a unique mid-engine design that made it a blast to drive, offering a balanced and engaging driving experience. But its air-cooled Volkswagen engine wasn't exactly what you'd call powerful, often leaving drivers wanting more speed. Over time, the 914 developed a reputation as the poor man's Porsche, a moniker that stuck with it for years. Not exactly a badge of honor in the world of high-performance cars where speed and power are often king, but like many classic cars, the 914 has seen a resurgence in popularity in recent years as enthusiasts rediscover its unique charm. And now, a UK-based company called 1511 Design has taken the 914 and given it a 21st century makeover, blending classic style with modern performance. 1511. Design is no stranger to breathing new life into classic cars. Their workshop is a haven for automotive enthusiasts who appreciate the art of restoration. They're known for their high-quality work and meticulous attention to detail, ensuring every car they touch is a masterpiece. With the 914, they wanted to create something truly special, a car that would stand out in both performance and aesthetics. Something that would honor the original car's spirit while giving it a much-needed performance boost, making it a joy to drive. The result is a car that's both familiar and completely new, blending the best of both worlds. The 1511 design 914 retains the original car's iconic shape, a nod to its classic heritage. But look closer, and you'll see a host of modern touches, seamlessly integrated into the design. The bodywork has been subtly widened to accommodate a wider track, enhancing its stance and handling. LED lighting adds a modern touch, improving visibility and safety. And the wheels? Those are bespoke 18-inch alloys, designed specifically for this car, adding a unique flair to its overall look. Underneath, the sleek exterior beats the heart of a true sports car. Gone is the old air-cooled engine. In its place sits a 3.4-liter flat-six engine sourced from a Porsche Cayman S 987. This engine produces a healthy 320 horsepower. That's more than double the power of the original 914. But it's not just about raw power. 1511 Design has also upgraded the suspension, brakes, and transmission. The result is a car that handles as well as it goes. A modern take on a classic design. Step inside the 1511 Design 914, and you'll be greeted by an interior that's both luxurious and purposeful. The original dashboard has been retained, but it's been beautifully refinished. Modern gauges provide all the information you need, and the Recaro sports seats offer both comfort and support. We wanted to create an interior that was befitting of a modern sports car, but still in keeping with the 914's character, says Ben Mellers, managing director of 1511 Design. I think we've achieved that balance. Behind the wheel, a true driver's car. But enough about the looks and specs. How does the 1511 Design 914 actually drive? In a word, brilliantly. The engine is a gem, pulling strongly from low down in the rev range and emitting a glorious sound through the custom exhaust system. The handling is sharp and precise. The brakes are powerful and confidence-inspiring. This is a car that begs to be driven hard. And when you do, it rewards you with an exhilarating experience that's both visceral and engaging. It's the perfect blend of classic charm and modern performance. The price of nostalgia, reimagined. The 1511 Design. Porsche 914 Restomod is not just a car, it's a statement, a bold reimagining of a beloved classic. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of a classic design and the skill of the engineers who brought it back to life, blending old-world charm with modern technology. But like all good things, it comes at a price that reflects its unique craftsmanship and heritage. And that price is likely to be quite high, making it a luxury item for discerning collectors. While 1511 Design hasn't yet released official pricing, it's safe to say that this Restomod won't come cheap, given the meticulous work involved. But for those with the means, it's sure to be a sound investment, a piece of automotive art. This is a car that's likely to appreciate in value over time, becoming more coveted as the years go by. It's a future classic, and one that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. A true masterpiece on wheels.